Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about how to insert images, special characters, shapes in Microsoft Word document. Before going to that, a small request. Those who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concept how to insert images, shapes and special characters in Microsoft Word document. Okay, right. See here, first of all let us see how to insert images in Microsoft Word document. For that, see here we have to go to the insert tab. We have to go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, see here, in the insert tab we have illustrations group. In this one, illustrations group. Okay, to insert an images in Microsoft Word document, we have to go to insert tab. In the insert tab we have illustrations group. See here, illustrations group. After that we have to go to the image location. Where is our image in the computer? For example, so my image is on desktop of computer. Okay, so click here picture. After that, see here desktop and desktop. For example, images folder is there. Double click here and I want this image. See here, click on insert. Okay, so this is the procedure. So we can, if you want to decrease the size of the images, we can decrease, or if you want to increase the size means we have to drag like this, or if you want to rotate the image means with this green color is there na, like this we can rotate. Okay, so with this green color symbol is there na, green color, see there, you can rotate like this. Okay, so see here, okay, suppose if you want to move, it is not moving. If you want to move the image or picture in Microsoft Word document, it is not moving. For that purpose, place the cursor on the image, right click. Here we have wrap text. In the wrap text you have to click on square. Now it is moving, see here. So wherever you want, it will move. Okay, so this is about how to insert an image in Microsoft Word document. If you want to remove means select this one, right click, click on cut. This is how we can insert an image in Microsoft Word document. And the second one is how to insert a shape. In Microsoft Word, while designing or while creating a document, sometimes we need some shapes. We have to insert some shapes in our document while creating the document. So we have to insert some shapes in the Microsoft Word document. So for that also click on insert illustrations group. Here number of shapes you will see here, rectangle, line, arrow mark, basic shapes, number of, see here, shapes. For example, if you want to insert, so this one means take this one and drag like this. Okay, here insert shapes, see here. If you want this one means rectangle means just drag like this. If you want circle, you can drag like this. If you want arrow mark, see here, like this. Okay, so if you want, so this symbol for example, yes, and drag like this. If you want to adjust the shape means, see here, suppose see here, here yellow color symbol is there na, so we can adjust the shape like this, see here, or we can, if you move like this, you can adjust. Okay, see here, yellow color symbol like this. yellow color symbol. You are observing the yellow color symbol. See here. So like this. Okay. So in Microsoft Word, in Insert tab, we have number of shapes. So whichever the shape you want, we can take that shape from the shapes option from the illustration group of Insert tab in Microsoft Word document. This is how we can insert the shapes in Microsoft Word document. Okay, right. The next one is how to insert a symbol and special characters. In Insert tab, see here, in Insert tab, we have, see here, this one. Here you observe symbols. See here, symbols. Okay, you have to click on this symbol. See here, symbols. Here you will observe some symbols. Okay, for example, if you want this symbol, just click here. If you want to increase the size of the symbol, means select it and just, okay, here increase the font size. Automatically this also increase. Okay, insert symbol. Okay, these are the symbols we will observe here. If you want more symbol, means click on more symbols. Here number of symbols you will observe. Which symbol you want, okay, you can select, you can click on it. Okay, for example, I want here in font is there na. For example, see here webbing, select this one. Here I want number of symbols you are seeing here. For example, I want this symbol. For example, this is, click on insert, close. See here, if you want to increase the size, means select it in home tab, increase the font size, or click this one. If you want to decrease, means this one. Okay, next, this is about insert the symbols. So what about special characters in Microsoft Word? Special characters means, again click on insert tab, symbols, click on symbols. Here more symbols. Here in more symbols, just you observe here special characters. Click on this here. So these all are the special characters. For example, if you want this one registered, click here, click on insert, close. See here. Again, if you want to increase, means select, and if you want to increase the font, just click here. Okay, again insert, delete this one, symbols, more symbols, special characters. Which one you want? For example, copyright, special characters. See here, close. If you want to increase the size, means select it, home tab, we can increase the size. If you want to decrease the size, just we can decrease the size. So this is about how to insert images, shapes, symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word document. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.